Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2023 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop. So, RT has the 5.7 liter Hemi up front. It's going to have Hemi badges here. I had the opportunity to drive a 5.7 Durango before this. I actually have done a review on a 392 Durango, not the full Hellcat yet. I've driven plenty of Trackhawks, but whoever detailed this did a really good job. Like that. So, forgot Dodge is always down here. But the RT that we had lasted not even 12 hours. It was sold in the morning after we took it in. But pretty gorgeous interior, captain's chairs. But let's talk about the business end of this SUV. Again, it's not the SRT 392, it's not the Hellcat, it's kind of an in-betweener. And it really kind of drives like it too. It doesn't have the full power of the Hellcat, but it has plenty of power to go around. Functional heat extractors on the hood. Your intake is going to be in here, so it sort of works as a cold air intake, but it's not going to drain it right into the intake for rainwater and such. Also, you're going to have an intake that goes through here. Water's gonna get sucked into here, and then it works its way through the design on the hood into the intake. Pretty darn cool looking SUV. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, everything you need to be comfortable. Of course, you have the Dodge performance pages. First time I've ever seen this all-wheel drive low, not full-wheel drive low. Wireless charging in sport mode with eco off. The ZF 8-speed, everybody knows and loves it. So I figured this would be kind of cool to keep our eyes on. Let's go for a drive. So this thing has a very good soundtrack. There is not much else out there that sounds like a NA V8. In terms of torque converter automatics, the ZF 8-speed is one of the best out there in terms of comfort and for quick shifting. It's a very good option for this car. It's not PDK, but it's not really designed to be. You know, the Durango has always taken an approach of being the muscle SUV. And having this V8 soundtrack 100% helps it. Looks like Enterprise, or whatever rental place is in here, is getting a new Armada. Good for them. This is a good SUV. It's a really good SUV, actually. Yeah, I've not really had a lot of time behind the wheel of one of these, and I've kind of been hoping to get another chance, but these things are so rare that I'll be honest, that opportunity would probably be in years from now. So to be able to see what this thing's like now, it's good. And we're not gonna have SUVs like this. Everything's gonna have a turbo or be a V6 at most. So having fun SUVs like this, I think we should embrace this thing while we have it. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.